Alright, boys, do you have anything to say to Lock News?
You guys, welcome to what we should not do. One, you don't do that. You don't do this. You don't do this. Especially not this.
What you shouldn't do when someone wins a bird. Oh, yeah.
Right his mouth.
Do you have anything to say to Lock News?
You misfired.
Oh my god! Wait, look at this guy. This guy's Senor Bird. He's
El
famous.
Senor Birdo.
Bro, he's famous. He's famous.
I give you the sloppy jobby for $10.
Get the fit. Get the fit. Get this fit. Look at this. Pristine, bro. Pristine.
It's got a cleaver. 1996. Clean as fuck.
We're all deranged.
Check out that drip.
He's convicted of murder in 25 different states in the US. Get him, bro.
And you come to Australia.
He's done some crimes, man.
Wait. Hold up. Wait. Someone hold this. I'll show you again.
Oh! Dead circle. Hey!
I'm not Russian, I swear. And we need
Wait, what happened to Senor Bird, boys? Where'd he go?
Okay. Hey, put your glass on, dude. Put your glass on.
Yes.